Hi friends, in this quick video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can ask ChatGPT to write an essay in a very comprehensive way. So if I write here, write an essay on computer history, then tap on forward. So you can see ChatGPT is write us an essay in a very comprehensive way. But the problem is that if someone already asked ChatGPT to write an essay on computer history, so both of you may get the same result. For increasing uniqueness in your article, so you can ask ChatGPT give more important points, then tap on forward, then it will add more important points in your article or an essay. So you can see the ChatGPT is already increased the essay length, and further you can also enhance this essay by asking ChatGPT give more details about history. If you tap on forward, so you can see ChatGPT is giving us a more detailed information about the topics. Now you can copy all this text from the 3 responses that have been generated by ChatGPT, and you can also ask ChatGPT to give me tags. You can also use ChatGPT for your topic SEO. So in this way, this ChatGPT tool is very helpful in your daily routine as well in your working. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and ask me anything in the comment section. Thanks for watching.